ultra-low speed lift. Just get stop corner.
Yeah, ours was. So when we bought it, the guy had it left through COVID, and the water had just collected in it because the drain pipe was blocked, and it had all rotted off. So we managed to get a bit knocked off for the price of that, and then I got Ben Sutcliffe down in Wales, and he's got a media that he does all the surveys on Yachting Monthly. So he did the survey, found another few things. So I looked at the guy right down in price. We gave Nick an arm and a leg when we got it back, like. But you know, we